and Sat Nam. Welcome to the forest. This is an OmTara forest meditation, and you can check out all our OmTara events, music, and other things at our website in the bio. And today I want to share with you a really powerful, really simple breath meditation, a pranayama meditation for flipping the switch on the parasympathetic nervous system. And what is that? Why would we want to do that? The parasympathetic nervous system is the part of our nervous system that allows us to rest and digest. It's the opposite of the sympathetic system, which is all about sort of fight and flight. And we spend so much of our lives in this culture, in this modern culture, with stress and anxiety, so that we end up more in that sympathetic sort of fight-flight mode a lot of the time. And that can cause a lack of wellness. It can cause dis-ease. So we want to have a tool in our yogic tool belt, in our meditation tool belt, to turn on the parasympathetic system. So I'm going to give it to you real quick here, and then we're just going to do it together here in the woods. Wherever you are, join in and feel the benefits almost immediately. So you just come to a comfortable sitting place. You don't have to be sitting in meditation pose, just any comfortable place where you're not going to be disturbed. Typically we would want to do this with a circle mudra, where left hand is here, right hand is resting in the left hand, and the thumbs come together in a circle. And we just hold that sort of around the navel area. But you know what? If you just want to do it with Gyan mudra on your knees, or just hands on your knees, whatever works for you is going to work. So it's a 4-stroke breath, and it's 4 strokes in through the nose, and then 1 exhale through the mouth. And it's going to kind of look and sound like this. Real simple, right? So it's just 4 times in through the nose, and then a long ocean breath, exhale, and you're kind of following that exhale from, I would say, from the face area. I kind of follow this, or I envision this coming down to my navel, and the navel goes in back to the spine to press all that air out, so that on my next breath I do my 4 inhales and I don't overfill my lungs. So I can just do this nice in 4 times, slow exhale, and it just keeps this nice balance through the breath. Also, as we're breathing, we're going to be wanting to gently roll the eyeballs into the 3rd eye point here, into the brow point. And that's going to make this nice bridge connection to the center of our brain, to tell our higher glands that, hey, meditation practice has been engaged, so let's release some meditative brain chemistry to heal the body. I think that's about all that I want to explain in this moment. Stick with it, and if things start coming up, emotions start coming through, just let them come through. But mostly you're probably going to feel your heart rate go down. You're going to feel maybe things start buzzing gently, lovingly, and you'll also notice that you just have a real sense of calm and ease. So we typically do this with the eyes closed, eyeballs gently rolled up to the 3rd eye point, not causing any pain here, not really rolling up in a painful way, just gently. You can barely tell that I'm doing that right now. And that just continues along with the breath. So here we go. Let's do our 4-stroke breath together and turn on the parasympathetic nervous system. your next inhale, hold the breath at the top. Just hold that breath in and find stillness. Find a place of total rest. And when you're ready to exhale, exhale out the mouth again and down into the earth. And just return to normal breath. And just sensing into your body, into your mind, into your state of being, any subtle changes. Are you feeling more relaxed, more calm, more grounded, more able to focus on this moment right now? You can do that breath for really as long as it takes to reach that more calm state, that restful state. I can tell you that after just a few minutes of doing that, I am definitely much calmer. And I may even sound calmer. And I didn't time it this time, but I waited just until I started to feel this gentle buzzing in my head. Slightly more expansive feeling in my skull, inside the skull, and my hands also. My arms and hands started to gently buzz. Felt really good, feels really good. So just know that this is a very simple tool that you can carry with you wherever you go. It's free, doesn't cost anything, it's available all the time. And if you're just feeling like, boy, I'm really anxious, really stressed out, really got a lot going on, things are coming at me left and right, life is moving really fast, and you're just feeling really off kilter, take 10 minutes, take 5 minutes, do this 4-stroke breath, and return yourself to a state of more calm, focus, centered being, connected to the self, connected to everything around you, and then approach your life from that place. So that's it for today. Many more breaths and meditations coming. Check out our website, OmTaraEvents.com, and we have lots of retreats and things in the works, retreats and events and music. So check it all out on the website, and be well, be kind to yourself. Sat Nam.